Today we are going to talk about half equations. So what are half equations? Half equations show only the one part of redox reaction. It either shows oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. Okay. Half equations are used to show how electrons are transferred during a chemical reaction. Ox- Key definitions are oxidation is a loss of electrons and reduction is a gain of electrons. Okay. In reaction in which oxidation and reduction occurs at the same time is called redox reaction. Okay. Remember oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electron and rig or reduction is gain of electron. Okay. Electrons in half equation. Electrons E appears on the one side of the equation. Okay. The number of atoms and the total number of total number must be balanced. First example is copper 2 gains electron. So what is happening? Copper is plus 2 charge. It will gain 2 electrons. So it will become copper. Okay. Second example is silver. Silver has a positive charge, has already lose an electron. So it will gain 1 electron and this charge will be ended and now it's a pure silver. Hydrogen has a 2 H plus charge. So it will 2, there are 2 hydrogens. So they will gain 2 electrons. So it will become H2. Oxidation half equation is that chlorine has minus one charge. Okay, so it means that it has already has two electrons. So it will lose two electrons because there are two chlorines and give us Cl2 gas. Okay, bromine has minus one charge. So there is two bromine. So two bromines make Br2 plus two bromines gives us two electron. One minus one charge on each. So two will give us two electrons. Iodine ion 2I same I2 and 2I minus charge will give us 2 electrons. Okay. Writing half equations. Write the reactant and the product. Balance all atoms. Balance the charge by adding electrons. For example, iron 3 become iron metal. So iron 3 gives us iron metals. So atoms are already balanced, so we have to balance electrons. So there are 3 plus 3 signs, so it has to gain 3 electron to remove that plus 3 sign. Okay, so that will give us Fe. Another example is magnesium atoms from magnesium ion. Okay, so magnesium has a zero charge. Okay, and it moves from 0 to plus 2, so it means it loses 2 electrons, so we have to put plus 2 electrons over here. Common half equations that we are going to use in IGCSE, that is hydrogen is 2H plus 2 electrons gives us H2, copper plus 2 electrons gives us copper, silver plus 1 electron gives us pure silver, lead plus 2, when it gets 2 electron it will give us lead. Same is for chlorine, that's a minus charge sign. So two chlorine atoms have minus charge, so it will lose 2 electrons and make Cl2. We have discussed about that. Okay, for hydroxide ion, that is 4OH gives us O2, that is minus sign. So there are 4 OH, so there will be 4 electrons. Okay. Half equilibrium reaction equations in electrolysis. At cathode, what is happening? Positive ions gain electron. So copper will move to the cathode and it will gain 2 electrons from there and make copper. Okay, that's how we get pure copper. Okay. At anode, for example, that is copper chlorine will move toward the anode and it will give us chlorine gas plus 2 electrons. Okay, and that 2 electrons are the reason we have, that's why we are called electrolysis, because there is a movement of electron that result in electricity. Okay. Balancing charges, number of atoms on both sides, total charge on the both sides. For example, zinc has a charge of plus 2, it gains 2 electrons. Now it has a zero charge. So plus 2 minus 2 will give us zero charge. So it's a balanced equation.